Well, it's a holiday tradition that all of us here in Philadelphia look forward to each and every year, the Philly Pops and their Christmas special. And joining me here this year, the lovely, talented Mandy Gonzalez, who is a star of Hamilton on Broadway, amazing, and Todd Ellison. And Todd, your title, this is really classy too, Director Designate this year of the Philly Pops.
Yes, I take over officially in July as the music director of the Philly Pops.
Well, this is your debut for the Christmas show.
Yes.
Excited?
It's a fantastic program we put together. We got over 300 people on stage. We're doing everybody's Christmas favorites. Some pieces they might not know, but some they certainly grew up with, and they're going to love hearing again.
Mandy, I mean, Hamilton, that's big stuff on Broadway.
It's big stuff, but so is Philly Pop's holiday concert. So when I was asked to be a part of it, I was absolutely thrilled because my husband is from Philly.
I was going to say, you have a connection.
And my in-laws see this show every year, and my father-in-law always told me, one day you'll make it and you'll be one of the soloists for the Christmas show. And so he came to the first show, and I looked at him and I said, Dad, I made it.
It's a guaranteed sold-out performance, that's for sure. So what can we expect in the general aspects of the show this year, Todd?
Well, besides the fabulous Mandy singing her guts out, we have the African Episcopal Church of St. Thomas Gospel Choir. Okay. We've got the Philadelphia Boys Choir, and we have the Philly Pops Festival Chorus. We've got Singing Santa. He stops by almost every performance to say hello. And Peter Richard Conti on the organ. So it's over 300 people on stage giving you Christmas cheer.
Every year I go, and I'm always amazed. By the way, I'd like to thank you for bringing toys. We have toys here for our Joy of Sharing Toy Fest. We appreciate those. Will be delivered to children in need in the area. So, Mandy, what are you going to be singing for us this morning?
This morning, we are going to be doing a version of Let It Snow, one of my favorites. And then we are going to do one of my favorite new Christmas songs. And I love it so much because this guy wrote it. And it is called Christmas Morning. Okay. And I think it just describes the morning so beautifully.
This is good. Let's hear it.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.